Let's see how much money this vending machine made in the past 6 days. And stay till the end because I'm I own a vending machine business with 40 vending machines, so come with me to restock and collect the cash from this vending machine. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you exactly how much it made in the past 6 days in cash and credit card. This machine is located at a call center, so they go through a lot of chips here. Most of our locations with office jobs or jobs where the people are sitting down for a long time, they usually eat a lot of chips. This location always does a lot of cash because of the way the employees get bonuses. If they make a sale, they get $10 in ones. So it's perfect for a vending machine. Not too long ago, we just added a card reader to this machine, and we've seen it go up about 30%. This location is open from 7 to 3, 5 days a week. Now let's get to the cash. And this week is a lot lower than usual. Usually they do about double this, but they were low on staff this week. But last week in cash and card, this machine made $188. Come with me as I restock and collect the cash from this drink vending machine. This machine is located in a nursing home, and they go through just about every drink here. Nursing homes are great locations because they're open 24/7 and the staff can use your machine whenever they need to. Energy drinks. But last week in cash and card, this machine made $206. with 40 vending machines, so come with me to collect the cash and restock this snack vending machine. And you can already see the cash is stacking up. This machine is located in the break room of This machine sells a lot of chips and a lot of cosmic brownies. They go through about 10 cosmic brownies per week. I think there's about 4 guys here who eat at least one every day. This location was part of the first route I ever bought, and it's been a really good location for us. They also go through a lot of blueberry muffins, but they were all out of stock, so I'll have to bring extra next week. A lot of the employees here are older, so they do a fair bit of cash per week. This week is a little bit lower than usual though, as it is a holiday week. But last week, this machine made $122. I own $24. I own a vending machine business with 40 vending machines, so come restock this vending machine with me, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how much money this machine made in cash and card reader sales. Now this machine is located in a lumber yard inside the break room, and most of these guys are pretty young, so they drink a lot of energy drinks as well as non-diet soda. And over the past 7 days, this machine with cash and credit card made $114. Let's see how much money this vending machine made in the past 7 days. This machine is a drink machine and it's located in a nursing home. Over the past 7 days, in cash and card reader sales, this machine made $163. Let's see how much money this vending machine made in the past 6 days. It's at an airport break room, and over the past 6 days, it made $151.